Imagine a mind so far ahead of its time, it could conjure up flying machines centuries before the first airplane took flight. A mind that envisioned armored tanks before the roar of engines filled the battlefield. This wasn't science fiction. This was the reality of Leonardo da Vinci, artist, scientist, inventor, a true Renaissance polymath. Today we're diving deep into the fantastical world of his inventions, exploring 10 creations of his work, however we reimagined them. Get ready to witness the genius of a man who dared to dream beyond the boundaries of his era. This machine, often considered a precursor to the modern helicopter, was designed to compress air to achieve flight. It featured a large linen screw that, when rotated, would theoretically lift the device vertically. While it's unlikely it would have actually flown with the technology of the time, it demonstrated Da Vinci's understanding of air pressure and vertical lift. Inspired by the flight of birds, the ornithopter was designed with large flapping wings intended to propel the machine through the air. Da Vinci meticulously studied bird anatomy and flight patterns to inform his design. Though it was never successfully flown, it represents an early attempt to achieve mechanical flight by mimicking nature. This armored vehicle was designed to be a mobile fortress on the battlefield. It was conceived with a circular shape and covered in protective metal plates, with cannons placed around its perimeter. The idea was for it to be powered by men turning cranks inside, allowing it to move in any direction. Da Vinci's parachute design was a pyramidal structure of linen cloth held open by a square frame. His notes stated that a man could safely jump from any height with such a device. A modern-day test using his design proved its functionality, demonstrating the accuracy of his concept. This large-scale crossbow was designed as a powerful siege weapon. It was intended to launch large projectiles over considerable distances, causing significant damage to enemy fortifications. The design included a complex system of gears and levers to increase its power. This cannon was designed to increase the rate of fire on the battlefield. By having huge barrels, it could fire multiple shots in quick succession, providing a tactical advantage. Da Vinci's diving suit was designed for underwater exploration or military operations. It included a leather suit with glass goggles and an air supply provided by a tube connected to a floating bell on the surface. This design featured a boat propelled by large paddles attached to the sides, which were turned by a crank mechanism. It was an early concept for mechanized water transportation. This spring-powered vehicle was one of the earliest concepts for a self-propelled vehicle. It was designed with a complex system of springs and gears that, when wound up, would propel the cart forward. Designed for military use, this bridge could be quickly deployed and retracted. It was designed to swing across a river or obstacle, allowing troops to cross and then be quickly retracted to prevent enemy pursuit. So the next time you see a helicopter taking off or a tank rumbling across the terrain, remember the man who dreamed of these machines centuries ago. Remember Leonardo da Vinci, the ultimate example of a mind that was truly ahead of its time. What if he had the tools and technology of our time? What would he create? That's something to think about. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the mind of a genius. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which of Da Vinci's inventions you found most fascinating.